This 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, smoke detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, oven, TV, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, external shower, stovetop burner, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371 is 12,764 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.